Hi everyone, today is day 45th of recording stuff, and what I'm going to share today is actually what I did just so basically what I'm just going to share, just like as usual videos in the past videos, basically that I'm just going to share with you that what I did actually today. And the fact is today actually I visited to my basically I attended my GS class after a week, or you can say more than a week actually. Yes, it is more than a week actually. Fuck this shit. After 8 days actually. Yes, after 8 days I have attended my GEC class, and the thing is that yes, actually that was quite interesting also, because in that okay, I will tell you what I learned in that afterwards actually at the end of the college timetable, in the basically video proceeding, not proceeding, fuck this shit, in the video. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So just yeah, the last night I slept at around 11 p.m. in last night, and after that I woke up myself at near about 3 a.m. in the morning, and after that I completed some of my assignments regarding my that mathematical physics part and quantum mechanics stuff, and also did some of the classical mechanics. Not basically did, but I revised basically the concepts of the classical mechanics stuff. And the thing is that after that actually, yes, after revising that stuff, I just cleaned myself, or you can say bathed myself, and after that I just went upstairs for finishing up my breakfast. And fuck and the thing is that after finishing up my breakfast I just came back to my room, and I just bag packed my bag for, or you can say maintained my bag actually, for college. And the thing is that yes, so at near about 8:30 we left the PG with using that PG auto for the college. And at near about, you can say, 8:40 I reached the college. And after reaching the college we just did as usual stuff, just like some of the chit chats with my college classmates. And the thing is that yes, so first, after doing some of the chit chats, our first period was of classical mechanics part. And in the classical mechanics part today, our teacher just completed our second unit, and also she demanded of the assignment. So basically I'm supposed to complete that assignment within the today only actually, because tomorrow I'm supposed to submit that. And the thing is that after her period, our semiconductor period was there, in which our teacher taught us about you can say um, capacitance that is generated in the PN junction. Okay, so there are quite, you can say, two type of capacitance that is generated at the junction. One is the diffusion capacitance, or you can say the storage capacitance, and the second one is the a second one is also some kind of capacitance only. Okay, so yes, and after that we just derived some of the relations of that stuff related to the PN junction and of the capacitance stuff. And also the thing is that after no, not the actually the thing is that after that second period, I actually our mathematical physics part was there, and in that we just learned about the matrix tensor and how the contravariant tensors and covariant tensors are related, and also solved some of the numerical problems of the classes. So you can say that was quite, you can say, impressive period, and also quite a gainful period for me, because I quite kind of type of learned something new in that period, because that was quite some, you can say, type of tensor stuffs which I have not learned in my past life. And yes, so today's class was quite interesting of the mathematical physics part, and the fourth period was of the quantum mechanics part, and with that we just did as usual stuff, just using the Schrodinger equations. We just did some of the relations actually. So nothing quite much interesting was that actually. So after that second period, not second period, fuck. After the fourth period, our lunch period was there, and during the lunch, after finishing up the lunch, my computer lab was period was there, and in the computer lab, I just coded on the C language, and also basically revise some of the basic concepts of the C language that will be quite helpful for me in the for my future purposes actually. So yes, good actually. And also in the C language today I coded by myself actually, without any help, and just coded with by using my brain stuff, and like how can you compare three numbers, and that is like uh, childish stuff actually. Because I guess if someone knows about any other C language, then he or she might actually knows the basics of the C language, and in which we can just do the simple questions, just like how we can compare the numbers, how we can add the numbers, how we can find the volume of a cuboid actually. So after that period, after my computer lab period, my GC period was there, in which I just learned about the what does a sovereignty mean, what does one mean by sovereignty, and the teacher taught us about the what actually how does the sovereignty is affected with the influence of the other various type of persons, and also with the government, or you can say state actually. So yes, that is quite that period was also quite interesting for me. And the thing is that after that period, our college period was over. Okay, so and after that period I just went to the library to revise some of my that that matrix and determinants part, and in that I just actually revised my topics related to the, you can say, Hermitian matrix, and also about the adjoint or inverse of a matrix, how we can find the rank of a matrix, and how we can find the energy eigen, not energy eigen, how we can find the eigenvalue of a matrix, or eigenvalue equation, diagonalization of matrix, and somewhat related to the matrix and determinant part only. And including the mathematics and determinant part, I revised all of my previous mathematical stuff part. That is quite helpful, that will be actually quite helpful for me in my competitive examination that is upcoming in the Feb, basically 11th Feb or 13th Feb, something just like that date is actually. So yes, so at near about 6 p.m, not 6 p.m actually, yes, near about 6 p.m I left the college, or you can say university, and after that I just came back to the PG at near about 7 p.m. and after that what the stuff is that after that actually what the stuff is there, let me remember. Yes, so after coming back to MPG, I just went, basically I just came here and I just got rid of a stomach ache actually that was happening when I was studying the libraries, due to which I left the library earlier, because actually I plan to leave the library at near about 6:30, at least 6:30 I should leave that, because after that, some kind, you can say, that darkness increases, and that will quite, however, I will, to be honest, I am telling you that I am not afraid of darkness. Yes, literally I just quite like darkness actually. Yes, darkness in the sense dark weather actually, and nobody is with you, and you are the only person to enjoy your only loneliness, and you can say the nature, you are loving that part. So that is quite enjoyable for me. So but the thing is that I was supposed to leave the library at near about 6:30. However, due to the stomach ache, as I mentioned in the few seconds ago, that due to the stomach ache, I just left the library at about 6 p.m. and after coming back to the PG, I just got rid of the stomach ache, and after getting rid of that, I just went upstairs for finishing up my dinner, and after finishing up the dinner, I just came back to my room, and now I'm just recording stuff, and after recording this stuff, I will be quite completing my classical mechanics assignment, and also will be actually, you can say, what I'm going today is I will prepare for my Viva stuff, because tomorrow we are going to give the Viva to our teacher actually. So yes, so I'm supposed to prepare for that also. So let's see what happens tomorrow and how much I can finish that stuff actually. So yes, this is the stuff that I went through whole of my day, and the plan for tomorrow is to wake up at 3 a.m. just as usual, as for making it regularly at 3 a.m. in the morning. So yes, I guess the plan for tomorrow is 3 a.m. in the morning, and I will try basically keep my 100% to wake up myself up, and after that I will quite revise the concepts and will try to finish the syllabus as fast as possible, including regaining my concepts back of the physics for the competitive examination. So yes, thank you everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow for sure, and bye. We'll meet you. Love you all. Bye. Ta-da.